Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, happy Friday guys. Welcome to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dinny Hilyati. I'm from class 1 Elektronika B, Bangka Belitung Manufacturing Polytechnic. This time I will deliver an observation video about thread. One, triangular thread. This is type of threads we encounter. Both of them are metric threads and pipe threads. 2. Rectangular thread is a thread with a rectangular profile, usually used for heavy loads, for example in the opening of floodgates and a thread in the embankment. 3. Trapezoidal thread is a thread with a trapezoidal profile with a peak angle 30 degrees, commonly used on the drive threads on the sled and lead screw on leads. 4. Exme thread is a thread with a trapezoidal profile with a peak angle of 29 degrees, can be used on sled and lead screw. 5. Round thread is a thread with a semicircular profile on the belly and the top of the thread, can be used to transmit power or motion smoothly without looseness. 6. Thread the ball. It is a thread that is usually fixed with a steel ball machine and is used in CNC machine drive because there is almost no elevation at the axial distance. 7. Threaded horn is a thread in the form of a triangle but not a stylized triangle but speed like a horn, usually used as a bag. 8. Compound thread is a thread that costs more than on-screw winding, usually for high-speed drive. An example of threads in everyday life: cup, the ballpoint pen, and cup the bottle, because the screw serves as a means of binding the component into a finished item. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video to your friends. Thank you for watching.